What if I told you there's a way to create viral videos that inspire millions without even showing your face? Channels are making millions using this exact method. And today, I'm going to show you how you can do the same. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on these game-changing tips uploaded on this channel. Ready to start making money while motivating the world? Let's start by heading over to Social Blade and search for Motivation to Study. You will see that this channel is making a huge sum of money. The same applies to another channel called Moreversity, although the estimations are lower than what these channels are actually making. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these videos and how to get views on your videos. These videos are made up of three main elements: the music, the background videos, and the motivational speech. Before we start creating our motivational videos, let's check whether these channels are being monetized. First, let's go to one of these channels and copy the link. Now let's go to a website called YT Large and paste the link to check whether these channels are really monetized. And yes, these videos are monetized. Now let's go ahead and create our video, starting with finding the music. Let's go to Pixabay and go to the music section because this platform is made up of royalty-free videos, photos, illustrations, and music. Then search for motivation or dramatic to get music for your video and go ahead and download it. Next up, let's find out how to get the background videos. The background videos of motivational content are actually B-roll footage. Now, I know you may be asking, what is B-roll footage? B-roll footage refers to supplemental or alternative footage that is intercut with the main shot in a video. In creating our motivational videos, the B-roll footage can be in the scenes of people exercising, feeling depressed, experiencing sadness, or showing scenes of nature. To get these videos, let's go to pxels.com. Go to the video section and type words like depression, exercising, sad, crying, regret, nature, and motivation to find the footage you need. Download any of the videos you prefer to use in your motivational video. The last part is the motivational speech. Some YouTube videos include the names of the speakers in their description, but to make things easier, let's go to Google and search for popular motivational speakers. You will see a list of motivational speakers. There's a method that no one is talking about, but before I share it, I would like you to take a moment to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Let's continue. This method is very easy. Pick one of the motivational speakers you found after searching on Google. Then, go to ChatGPT. If you haven't signed in, do that quickly and type this. Write a motivational speech by the name of the motivational speaker. After ChatGPT has finished its magic, copy the speech, and let's generate a voiceover for the video. Head over to 11 Labs, pick a male voice that evokes emotions, and create the voiceover. Then download it. Now, let's create the video using CapCut or any video editing application. Import all the footage, the voiceover, and the background music. Drag the voiceover and place it on the timeline. Start placing the footage over the voiceover. After that, drag the background music onto the timeline and reduce its volume. To make your video more engaging, add text on top of your videos. Go to the text option where you can see auto caption. Click it to generate captions for the video. After spending some time creating the video, this is how the final motivational video looks.
It's possible. Not the dreams that keep you comfortable or the ones you think are realistic, but those dreams that ignite a fire inside you. The ones that scare you because you know deep down that they demand your full potential. It's possible. Your dream is possible. You have greatness within you. I don't care how many times you've failed. I don't care how many times life has knocked you down. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. You can do it. Don't let anyone's opinion of you become your reality. Don't let the voice of doubt drown out your inner greatness. Too often, we live our lives based on what others think of us, based on past failures or on our fear of the unknown. But hear me now, don't give up on yourself.
The next part is how to get significant views on these videos. Generally, on YouTube, the most important factors for getting more views are your title and thumbnail. There are only 3 steps to achieve this. 1. Choose a picture with high intensity and emotions. 2. Zoom in on the face in the thumbnail. 3. Create contrast in the thumbnail. If you look at the thumbnails on these channels, you'll notice that they follow these 3 steps. The images they use have high emotional intensity, and the faces are zoomed in. Now, let's go to Canva to create a thumbnail like that. Sign up on Canva if it's your first time using it. In the search box, search for YouTube thumbnail. Click on Create a blank thumbnail. Go to Pexel and search for emotional images, download them. And import them into Canva. Drag the image into the canvas. Zoom in on the face to fill the canvas, and then increase the contrast of the image by clicking Edit Image and adjusting the contrast. Lastly, type some words on the image. The text should be short, no more than 4 words, and choose the font style called Anton. Make the text stand out and increase its size. Add gradients to make the text more readable. And that's it. You have a thumbnail that's great for getting more clicks. Start now and make some money with these videos. If you haven't already, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel to help us grow this community together. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Take care.